trust me.
See, I will deal with you. How can you go to my man and tell him everything I do? I trusted you to be my best friend.
Why will you trust me? Why will you trust me? Are you trustworthy? Why will you trust me?
I thought you were my best
watch this life, bro. I go watch this life. Come on.
Hey,
Excuse me.
What's the problem? Calm down. Why you do like this now?
This never calm down. You are very stupid.
What is it? Why are you fighting?
I'm coming for you.
Don't mind her.
Why are you fighting?
She's fighting.
I'm coming for you today.
You are mad.
You are very stupid.
You are mad.
To go to my man and tell him I can't confident in you. You're very stupid. You're a very bad friend.
Can you just stop it? It's okay. Stop it.
Somebody should hold me because I'm about to kill somebody right now.
You will kill me.
Okay. People should not be fighting because of your man now. Why will you be fighting because of your man?
It's okay.
Calm down. Can you just stop this thing?
You don't play with a lion's tail because I will show you. I will show you the stuff I made of.
Why now? Come now.
It's okay.
Come now. Make I blow your life.
People want to enjoy yourself. Just be going. Be going. Look at your bag here. Take your bag and go.
Just allow me to deal with this girl. Why would she be playing with me?
And you too, go your own way. What kind of trouble is this? What kind of human being like this? In public, you are fighting because of a man.
Hey, you don't trust me.
I know
you don't trust me again.
Give me a play. Guys,
I better fool.
Guys,
I tell you. I tell.
Guys, see.
Oh.
My guy.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, I saw what happened between you and those two ladies.
No, I just separated them. They were fighting and I had to separate them.
So you are not even aware that they took your money and your phone. It was planned. That's the way they do. But don't worry. I followed them up. Guess this your phone, and I guess this your money.
You mean they were not actually fighting?
They were not fighting. That's how they do. Especially when they see someone that has money, they will do it so they can be able to steal from the person. So I was somewhere watching them when they took the money and the phone. I followed them up and I got it back for you. So you just have to be careful.
Thank you so much.
All right, sir.
Okay, hold on. You can have this.
For me?
Yes, for you.
All right, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
No problem. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for always watching my videos. And don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Just say something about the video. Drop a comment, please, okay? I love you guys. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep commenting, and keep liking. And don't forget, follow the account, Ebuka Hero. I love you guys.